This is a quick walkthrough of creating a project and installing some project dependencies. So I'm going to open up the UCM, and the first thing I'm going to do is enter the project.create command. And a project is akin to a Git repo. My project is going to be named Connection Pool Demo. The UCM has automatically downloaded the standard lib. It's called base, and we can see it in the lib namespace. This project also needs the HTTP library, and because I just want the latest version, I'll enter the lib.install command with the handle of the share organization or author, followed by the name of the library. If I check inside the lib namespace again, I'm going to see my new dependency, and it's going to be ready to use in my project.